In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable Do Not Disturb mode on your Toshiba laptop, or tablet, or desktop device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the Start menu, and you want to search for Settings. Best result, should come back with Settings. Open that up, and then select System on the left panel. On the right side, you want to go down and select Notifications. And where it says Do Not Disturb, notifications will be sent directly to the notification center. Toggle that on or off depending on your preference, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.